Hi there everyone, good afternoon. By the way, my name is Christine and welcome to Dolphin Fest. Today we'll explore the fascinating world of whales and dolphins. Here at Ocean Adventure, we have 15 individuals of 4 different species. As of the legacy of dolphins are great, agile, strong, and graceful, so let's meet them one at a time. First up is a male bottlenose dolphin and his name is Zach. Next up is Zach, introducing herself with a lovely breeze. Here comes Haley. And last but certainly not the least, I'm proud to introduce to you Dawn. These are the dolphins. Our plants are bottlenose dolphins, also known as tertius and Pedus gili. They are very friendly animals, and right now, they'd like to welcome you all to the Times. Back, guys, Whales and dolphins are not fish, are they? Of course not. They are warm-blooded, air-breathing mammals, just like you and I. But how can we tell? First, their tail fins are the main motors that power them through the water, and the tails move up and down, and not side to side like a fish. We show them how it works, guys. We know that our marine mammal plants need air, but how do we do it? Well, those blowholes are conveniently located so they don't have to lift their head out of the water to breathe. It has a special ligament that opens and closes when the water gets inside. They also use those blowholes to talk, using a variety of sounds like clicks, squeaks, clucks, and whistles. Listen again. Oh, what a lovely sound from the sea. Did you know that each dolphin has their own signature whistle like their names that's different from anyone else's? Amazing, isn't it? While those two fins on either side of their body, that is called the pectoral fins. They use that one to steer themselves through the water. And the fin on their back, that one is called the dorsal fin. They use that one to stabilize them in the water, just like a fin on the boat. Now, talking about those fins, why don't we put them into action to show you a couple of natural behaviors. First up, Bailey is going to demonstrate a behavior called the breach. Dolphins use that behavior to spread their itchy skin on the surface of the water. Now, what do you think our dolphins do when they want to see long distances? Check this one out. That's right. They jump high in the air just like that. Okay, why do the humans design our airplanes and ships after a dolphin's body? Because they're streamlined and built for speed and strength. They can dive up to 1,000 feet, hold their breath up to 15 minutes, and can swim as fast as 40 kilometers per hour. Whenever you're ready, dolphins, hit it, guys! Oh, that's what you call a classy. How about a round of applause for our bottlenose dolphins? Right now, there's a little secret I would like to share with you guys. Did you know that dolphins can walk on water? Yes, and I'm not kidding. Right, dolphins?
No.
Hey, what do you mean no? I know you can walk on water, right? Okay, how about there, you, Zach, the only boy. Can dolphins really walk on water? And show us how you do it. Oh, see what I mean? Sorry, girls can do it.
What the? Good job.
Now, meeting a new friend is always fun, so we have invited a special guest to come down on the floor and meet one for bottomless.
Open for the very first time, are you scared of them? No, what a very big younger, but since you're brave Janelle, whatever happens to you down here, why don't you say goodbye to your lovers out there? Hi guys, well, I'm just kidding Janelle, you know what? Dawn is very friendly to go with you. All you have to do is to kneel down beside trainer Mikey. Kneel down, reach out for Dawn and give her a friendly pat on the head. Very nice. And of course, you can also give her some fish as the start of your new friendship. Stop the machine, head first. Very nice. You folks, our dolphins here are not only good at singing, but they're also great dancers. That's why we ask you now to dance together with Haley and Dawn. So all you have to do is to put your hands out on your side and turn in circles. So ready, trainer Mikey? Music, please. Alright, now you've got to do with Haley and Dawn. You know, folks, we're a little short of trainers down here. That's why we asked you now to speak out to give Haley and Dawn a very special and signal to show off a fantastic behavior. The hand signal is pretty easy. All that she needs to do is to put her hands on her knees, raise it up in the air on my count of three. Ready ka na, Janelle? 1, 2, and 3. Hands up. Alright, Janelle, keep your hands steady because the dolphins will be right back with a very big... That's a lot full of water. And quick to get Haley and Dawn racing. So let's ask the dolphins. Hey, ladies, did you do that on purpose? No? But do you think that was funny? Well, Janelle, I've been Haley and Dawn with this feeling. They used to banana fish to that about you about fish with Mikey and give it to Dawn. There you go. Now Janelle, why don't you join me here? You've been a great guest and a good sport, but before you go, I saw you feather some fish. So how does your hand smell? Smells fishy, right? And do you have any idea how to get rid of the fishy smell? No idea? Well, all you have to do is to follow me. Put your sticky hand out like this, and then wipe it on your shirt. Well, I bet Janelle is too smart for me, folks. So put a big round of applause to Janelle for such a good guess and nice work. That's her answer.
Thank you, Dirty. We'd like everyone to remind that we offer special opportunities to meet our whale and dolphins up close and personal. First, you can sign up with our dolphin photo encounter, which happens after each show. Just like Janelle, you can meet one of our bottlenose dolphins, feed them, pet them, and have a photo to take home with you, just like that. Alright guys, if you really want to have an experience of a lifetime, you can sign up with our encounter programs. For more information, just ask here one of our 20 partners. I'm proud to introduce to you, Tonka. Tonka is a false killer whale, also known as Sudorca crassidens. But how did it get the name false killer whale? Well, for mantis, because of his 35 large conical shaped teeth, is like those of a true killer whale. He's actually mistaken as a baby killer whale at one time, thus the name false killer whale. And right now, Tonka is going to show off his huge teeth with his own impression of the movie, Jaws. Oh boy, those are really big teeth, aren't they? Well, don't worry guys, those teeth may look scary, but Sudorcas are really gentle animals. And to prove you that, our trainers are going to join them in the water to show you how playful and gentle they truly are. So sit back and enjoy.
Baka sobrang haba na yun, bakit hindi niya masin yung event mo na lang muna. Bakit hindi niya masin ng hindi niya Putulin mo muna kasi baka hindi niya masave ng buo yung ganyan.